Hey there, welcome to TGM's Legal Nuggets, where knowledge meets inspiration. If you're looking for insightful content that informs, empowers, and transforms, this is the place to be. Don't miss out. Hit the subscribe button now and turn on notifications. Join the community and let us grow together. See you inside. Hello everyone, welcome to TGM Legal Nugget. We are pleased to have you here. Okay. Una don't catch me. Una know the way with the run am here. Now pigeon will take the run am so that make everybody for they carried along, they flow along, with waiting we get to discuss and stuff like that. So I say make I welcome una again to TGM Legal Nugget. In fact, I want to appreciate you now. Those of una where they support us, where they subscribe to our YouTube channel, those where they follow us on Facebook, and those where they follow us on Instagram. We say okay, make we appreciate una, because if una not dead, then I say them for don't carry us go where we don't know. Now understand where the matter they be now. No reason now. Okay, so based on the matter, what we want to talk about today? We want to talk about the crisis where be say they go on for Rivers State for Nigeria. Of course, as una go don't know, una see say the president don't declare a state of emergency for that Rivers State. And so income appoint one vice admiral, making take over the state for 6 months. So based on the matter like this, one look, should the president get that power to carry out that action? In fact, he suspend the governor, suspend the deputy governor, can suspend members of the House of Assembly for the state there. So the president gets the power to do this thing. So now what we won't consider today based on the matter like this, you understand, make it for no loss. In fact, with all this wahala like this way they go on now for Rivers State like this, the problem starts with all those 27 lawmakers where be say the governor no gree recognize. The matter can move twirl from High Court, eventually the thing can reach Supreme Court. Supreme Court can give judgment in favor of those lawmakers. So now like I say those lawmakers now, based on what they happen, they don't they vex. Then they vex for the governor. So they can say, okay, we go show you pepper. They can say, okay, then go impeach the governor, say then go remove the governor from office. In fact, according to the report who they get, they don't even they send letter, they won't commence, they won't start that impeachment process. You understand the way the matter they be. On top of that one, we can't hear say the people, some people they explode pipeline. We hear say pipeline explosion, that Trans Niger pipeline way there for Rivers State there will be say now one of the major source of our oil we take the comot, we take the market am. You understand, for this Nigeria we hear say them blow am, say the thing explode. So all these things wey come dey happen, come dey make people dey think say wetin dey go on na shey na because of this political wahala na make them blow this pipeline, abi na wetin really dey sup like this? Because the matter now don't they get kill leg. And then President Tinubu now in the look and say, okay, based on the matter like this, if they continue to they blow our pipeline like this, then we say last we no go feed they get better foreign exchange and a crude oil now be say Nigeria they focus on mainly, you understand, till they get money where they take the wrong one or two things. You understand the way the matter they be now. So this one now will be say the president don't comot the governor, comot the deputy, even comot the lawmakers. We want look am, shey the president get the power to do that thing. Now wetin we won't really consider be that shey the constitution give the president the power to take that decision wey him take. So because if we no look am well now be say last the thing go for press also, because if the president fit take that action, na him be say later in the future the president or other presidents will be say then go come they take that kind of the same action, and the thing no good for our democracy. So we won't really look am now if you look am carefully, if you take a look at section 11 of the constitution of that our constitution, section 11 of that our constitution, the place where they can say now subsection 4 of that our constitution, that place don't talk about how the National Assembly go take fit make law on behalf of the State Assembly. You understand the matter? So if e be say according to that law, for that subsection 5, e talk am say if the House of Assembly for a particular state no fit meet, say dem come sit down come say okay dem wan make law for the state, for that particular state, and in this case now Rivers State, say dem no fit do am, dem no fit sit down jejely peacefully to make this law wey be their normal responsibility for the state. That law, that particular section for the constitution say na that time na im the National Assembly now in this case now na the House of Representatives and the Senate, say na only that time if the State House of Assembly, that is the State House of Assembly now for Rivers State, when dem no fit sit down, say na that time na the National Assembly go come decide to make law for that state. And according to that law, e say any law wey be say the National Assembly make, say because say the State House of Assembly no fit make law because of the issues wey dey go on for that state, say that law go dey binding for on top of that state. So any law wey the National Assembly make, that law go dey binding. That one na wetin the law talk o, section 11 for our constitution o. Then that section 11 subsection 4 na im come give the power to the House of Assembly of a state to give way so that the National Assembly now go fit make law on behalf of the State House of Assembly, because say the State House of Assembly no fit sit down as of that particular time make law for themselves because of the situation, because of the issue wey dey go on. And in this case, if you look Rivers State very well, the House of Assembly for there dey fight the governor dey fight them, so peace no really dey. And now the House of Assembly dey say they wan impeach the governor, and then the governor don dey run helter skelter, that is Governor Fubara now, him don dey run helter skelter to see wetin he wan do. So the constitution say when issues don dey like this and the House of Assembly wey dey for that state no fit sit down come make decision, come make law for the state, na only that time na the National Assembly wey make up the House of Representatives and the Senate go fit come together, come dey make law for that particular state. And any law wey dem make for that particular state, that law dey binding on top of that state, because the state dey no fit use their discretion, they no fit use their power to maintain peace. And because the National Assembly want peace for that state, the National Assembly go come make law, and any law wey dem make go dey binding. So na wetin that section 11 subsection 4 and 5 of the constitution talk o. Then that, if you come look that subsection 4 again, the constitution come say even though say the National Assembly go fit make law for that state, because say the state as a House of Assembly no fit sit down for one place peacefully make law, say that one no mean say the law wey dem make comot the governor and the deputy governor from office o. Because the governor and the deputy governor na people wey come together for the state now elect them enter office. So if the National Assembly wey be the House of Rep and Senate make law, e no mean say the governor and him deputy don comot for office. Na wetin we dey call proviso for that subsection 4 of section 11 talk be that. So if you come look am carefully now, if the National Assembly no fit comot the governor for office, but say dem go only fit make law if the State House of Assembly no fit peacefully sit down for one place come make law for the state, shey the president get the power to make that law? Na the thing wey we wan see now. Shey the president get the power now to say okay, governor oya comot for office, deputy governor comot for office, members of the State House of Assembly oya make una comot for office? Fine, we agree say the president gets the power to declare state of emergency for any state, but that one no mean say the president go fit comot person wey be say na everybody come for that particular state come elect the person. The president no go fit just get up like that. So now we will come look again another section for inside this our constitution to see whether in fact whether the president gets the power to take do this thing wey him don do now. Now, if you can go look section 305 of the 1999 Constitution, section 305 of the 1999 Constitution, you go look am for that place say the Constitution give the president the power to declare state of emergency. If only say im don write that state of emergency for inside wetin dem dey call government gazette. After im don write am for that government gazette, that particular section 305 come say after im write am, im go come forward am to the president of the senate and the speaker of the house of rep. After the president don say, oh, I wan declare state of emergency for a particular place, now in this case now say na Rivers State, the president don say im wan declare state of emergency there. Now the next thing wey the president suppose to do na to carry that thing wey im don write for official gazette come carry am go give the president for the senate and also the speaker of the house of rep. Now the president of the senate go come call im own people, the senate go come meet, dem go come discuss am. Then the house of representative too, all of them go come, dem go also discuss the matter. So now when the president of the senate don call im own people, that is all the senators, im don call them say okay, make una come o, the president don send us something o, say im wan declare state of emergency for one particular state o, and in this case now Rivers State. Then the speaker of the house of representative don call im own people say okay o, members of the house of representative, make una come o, the president don say im wan declare emergency for a particular state o. Now these two houses wey form the National Assembly now go come look into the gazette, because for inside that gazette the law say the president need to state the reason why im wan declare that state of emergency for that state. You dey see am? So the president need to state am. So na that reason na im the house of rep go come look, na im the senate go come look. Dem go come look and clearly come decide whether actually in fact whether that thing na true. So if dem see say na true, dem go come approve am. Take note o, the senate must approve am, the house of rep must approve am. If dem no approve am, na im be say that state of emergency no go fit work. Now wetin be some of the areas wey be say the president fit declare state of emergency on? That is wetin we dey talk now be say wetin be some of the reason wey go fit make the president come declare a state of emergency. So the president now fit declare state of emergency when war don dey the country. So if war dey for Naija, for obodo Naija like this, the president fit wake up say okay, I dey declare a state of emergency for the whole of obodo Naija. Then another thing be say if the president don't look am say danger dey come o, say danger go soon enter Nigeria o, or Nigeria wan go into war with another country, the president get the power to declare a state of emergency. Then another thing be say if the president look am say for inside obodo Naija or any part of the country, for this case now Rivers State, say public order and public peace and safety don dey enter katakata level, the president go say im go declare a state of emergency. If he look am say if the president look am say omo this thing don dey go beyond wetin I go fit control, omo if kasala don dey enter, the president look am say last things go spoil, the president go declare a state of emergency. Then if the president come look the matter well, come look and say omo this thing clear o, say danger of breakdown of peace and order for a particular state for inside obodo Naija or even the country generally, say the thing go need to make am take hard decision for the country, then I be say the president fit declare a state of emergency. Then if something don dey happen or the president see say danger of or something dangerous go happen or don dey happen for any part of the country, whether that thing na natural disaster or whether na wetin dem dey call act of God or all those things, look and say the life of the people wey dey that place go dey affected, for any community, whether na natural breakdown or anything wey be say go affect people in large quantity like pandemic and all those things, the president get the power to declare a state of emergency. Then another thing be say the president also look am say if public danger dey wey be say e go cause the country to break into two or the country to divide, the president get the power to declare a state of emergency for that kind of situation too. Now, if the president also receive a request, if the president receive a request from the governor of any state for Nigeria, say that governor dey write to the president say we dey see danger o, say breakdown of public peace and order go dey o, or in fact public peace and order don dey break down, kasala don dey o. Say the president come receive the request from any one of those governors of the state, the president get the power to declare a state of emergency for that state. Then again, the president no go fit issue a state of emergency for any place for this Nigeria unless say the governor of that state don fail within a reasonable time to take care of that situation. You dey see am? It is only when e be say the governor wey dey for that particular state don fail and say him no fit manage the situation wey dey for inside that state, na only that time na the president go come say yes, I wan come declare a state of emergency. Now, if you come look am, if you take a look at this particular provision, because this we dey look at section 305 of the constitution now, and section 305 subsection 5 don talk am say na only when the governor don fail to address that situation for that place, na only that time the president go fit come. So if you look am for Rivers State now, una sure say the governor for that state don fail to manage the situation, because wetin we dey hear now be say the House of Assembly now wan impeach the governor, and e no get say violence dey or war dey or people dey fight or public peace and safety dey, nothing like that. We never hear anything. The only thing wey we just hear be say dem come burst pipeline for one place, and we never even know the people wey be say burst that pipeline. Nobody don come and come say na dem burst the pipeline. We don't know whether na the pipeline, maybe based on saying e not strong, na im make am just burst like that. So the president need to get security report first, and the governor wey dey that state needs to write to the president. Now only when the governor don fail to address that situation, now only that time na the president go fit come say, oh yes, I wan declare state of emergency for inside that state. You dey understand? So we dey try to look now whether the president really get the power to declare that state of emergency for that, and in this case now for Rivers State, the president get the power to do am. Although the constitution don tell us say yes, say the president get power to declare state of emergency, but e don give us certain condition wey be say the president need to meet first before him go fit declare a state of emergency for any state. Now, a proclamation wey be say the president don issue go only fit happen if any one of these things wey I wan talk about so now happen. Una dey reason am? So a proclamation wey be say when the president don issue go stop to have effect for that state if any one of these things wey I wan talk about now so don happen. Now, if the president, number one, revoke am, and how the president go take revoke am, just the way im take make the emergency that first time wey be say im put am for public gazette or government gazette, na the same way, the same method na the president go still take use. Im go put am for public gazette say I dey make this emergency to stop, this emergency, state of emergency for this particular place for Naija or maybe any state for Naija. I dey talk am now say as I don say make state of emergency dey, me I dey talk am again now say make this state of emergency stop. You understand? So the president needs to revoke am. So now that one na one way wey be say the state of emergency go get any effect again. Then another thing wey we need to consider be say the National Assembly, if as of the time wey be say the president make that proclamation for the state of emergency, say the National Assembly come start to dey sit 2 days after they don get that information, then that thing no go come get effect again. That state of emergency no go get effect. So if the president make a proclamation for state of emergency, then at the end of the day they come transmit the gazette, come give the Senate and then the House of Rep, and they come start to dey sit 2 days to try to look into that matter. Until they don't give approval, that state of emergency no go get any effect. Now wetin the law talk be that. But if at the end of the day say after 10 days the National Assembly no come sit, they no get any session, and the president don publish the state of emergency, then the National Assembly no come bring out any resolution wey be say 2/3 of the majority of the people wey be say dey for the National Assembly come pass that resolution, that proclamation go cease to dey exist. Na wetin the constitution talk be that. If you go check that section 305 subsection 6, na wetin the constitution talk be that. So now after a period of 6 months, if nothing happens, say all these other conditions wey we don talk, after a period of 6 months, the state of emergency too go also collapse. That is, e no go get any effect. E go stop to dey in force after a period of 6 months. Now, if you look the law carefully, you go see say the National Assembly also get the power to extend a state of emergency. Say the National Assembly don look into the issue and they come consider am, say yes, so actually wetin the president dey talk, the president get the power, they don approve am, say state of emergency go dey a particular place, and 6 months don reach, and after that 6 months the thing wey make them declare that state of emergency never still go away, the National Assembly still get the power to take further increase the period for another 6 months. Now the law wey be say dey regulate a declaration of state of emergency. So all this analysis wey we don do now, shey you see say nowhere for inside this analysis say the president get the power or the National Assembly get the power to remove any governor from office or any deputy governor from office, because the law na the law and we must make sure say we follow the law. Although the president get the power to declare state of emergency, and there are certain things wey he need to do before he declare those state of emergency, but that power no mean say he go fit comot a governor from office. The only person wey go fit comot the governor from office na the state House of Assembly through an impeachment process. So dem go try to use that impeachment process take comot the governor from office, because everything na law and everything get step rules wey people suppose to follow. So now we don see am, even for the court sef don even talk am before, for the case of Attorney General of Lagos State and Attorney General of the Federation. The court don confirm say before any president go fit remove, the court don confirm say no president fit remove any elected official, even if state of emergency dey. No president get the power to take remove any elected official. No, because na the people na elect the person wey dey there. So one person no go fit just wake up come say okay, he wan comot an elected official. In fact, for 2004, President Obasanjo declare state of emergency for Plateau State. Abi? The only thing wey he do be say he suspend the state of House of Assembly. Him no touch the governor because he no get power as of that time to take remove the governor from office. So if Tinubu wan suspend the governor and the lawmakers wey dey there, e mean say him himself don dey go beyond the power wey the constitution give am, and that thing no go fit work, because if dem go court, the court go say no, you oga president, you no follow the law, so that thing wey you dey do now dey illegal. On top of these things wey we dey talk about now, people come go dey pause pipeline, although nobody don come out come say na dem do am, but of course we hear say that Trans-Niger pipeline wey be say na one major source of our crude oil supply and export for Nigeria, we hear say dey bomb am and the thing explode, and that thing we go look and say no be coincidence, no be something wey be say e just happen. In fact, we dey look am from this our analysis say maybe na because of the political issues wey dey go for that Rivers State, maybe na im come cause that thing, because some people come out say dem be militants, come dey warn one political office holder like that for that Rivers State. So we dey suspect say maybe those people dem don go do that thing. But bombing of this pipeline or exploding pipeline or anything wey don happen, that thing dey good. So now we come dey look and say last like this, if dem come discover say na person na commit that crime, or na person go bomb that pipeline, go explode the pipeline, wetin be some of the law wey be say the person don breach? Wetin be some of the crimes wey be say the person don commit? So we wan look am. So if dem catch the person wey cause that explosion, now the person go fit dey guilty o. The person go fit dey guilty if na be say the person wan sabotage our national security, if the person wan make sure say our national security come dey porous, e dey in a way wey be say anything fit happen, so that anybody wey come from anywhere go fit do anything for Nigeria, just get away with am. Na be say that person don violate our terrorism act for Nigeria. So that thing wey the person dey do amount to terrorism, because if the person wan put the life of many people for inside this obodo Naija for problem and for danger, and that is no good. So that person, if dem catch the person wey go bomb that pipeline, na be say the person don commit acts of terrorism. Therefore, inside our criminal code, remember we dey talk am always for our videos. If you go check some of our other videos, we dey always talk am say the criminal code and the penal code act dem dey. Even the states get criminal code law and penal code laws wey be say dey regulate them. If e be say the person just dey do anyhow just to destroy public property, that one na offense. So if dem catch you, na be say you go in for it o. So make we dey stay away from public property. Then what about our Petroleum Industry Act and other environmental law wey dey? What if na say the person go dey do, the people wey do and they go dey do illegal oil bunkering? They go burst pipeline so that they go fit dey carry the crude oil, go dey sell am on their own, they make money, they put for their personal pocket. They forget say the land go dey polluted, people no fit fish, people no fit go farm, people no go there, the people go lose their means of livelihood. They forget all these things. So if them catch you, that one too na another offense. So with all this katakata wey dey for ground like this, wetin be some of the way forward wey be say we fit just? Number one, make we make sure say dem follow the law. The Mr. President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, abeg follow the law properly, so that make we know say wetin you dey do so dey in line with the law. The constitution don talk and say you fit carry out state of emergency. The constitution don even talk and say the National Assembly fit make laws for the states wey be say they get problem. If the state House of Assembly wey dey that place no fit make law, if they no fit sit down peacefully make law, the National Assembly, but dem know say you fit comot the governor and his deputy. Dem know say you fit comot am. So abeg, Oga President Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu, follow the law. Abeg, follow the law. You go need approval before you go fit do anything wey you wan do. So make you go take the approval of the National Assembly before you go fit do anything wey you wan do, and you no go fit comot person wey be say na everybody come together, come elect, come vote for, come put for power. You no fit just comot the person like that. Supreme Court don gats settle this matter fast, make the thing no come go out of hand, because we must follow rule of law. Make our rule of law for this Naija, obodo Naija like this, make it dey in place, make it dey intact, make anything no come scatter am. So the Supreme Court, abeg, make una look into this matter if dem eventually carry am come, because una no dey look matter until they carry am come una desk. Then the security wey be say they don dey cause issues, wey be say people go blow pipeline now, abeg, make people go investigate and make dem look wetin happen, make dem try to know who be the person wey go carry out that thing, because last all the money wey Nigeria suppose to get due to the oil wey we wan export out of the country now, we no go fit get am again, and that one dey bad. Then the politically now, wetin we go fit do. Now, if Fubara and the lawmakers no fit settle, make judiciary decide wetin go happen based on the law and not by force. So the judiciary now una hand the matter dey now, make una decide wetin go happen for inside this matter wey dey go on now. Nigeria be democracy, no be military rule na we dey under. We gats follow constitutional provisions, make e no be like say na power pass power, no be power pass power we dey do for Nigeria now. We dey make sure say everybody follow the law. Okay, so based on the matter like this, we wan appreciate una, we wan thank una. You know say we never talk everything o. Make una go our comment section, make una go drop una comments, make una talk one or two, make una like our post, follow us on Facebook, TGM Amwero Esquire, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Soteria TV, on Instagram, Soteria_TV. Oh yeah, make una dey run and one kind and make it for all us. Based on the matter, we appreciate una. So until we go see una again for our next video. Bye bye now. Una too much. We appreciate una. Thank you.